So here are 3 profile building opportunities in data science. And for those of you who are interested in NIW and O-1, these opportunities are potentially relevant to you as well, especially if you're going for O-1. For NIW, it would depend on your proposed endeavor. Starting with the data science Salon. So this is more a series of events. So if you look at this dropdown, you'll see a bunch of data science Salon events. They also have a bunch of meetups as well. So for example, one of their upcoming events is Data Science Salon New York. They also have a Data Science Salon Miami. So they have actually quite a few events, and they also have meetups, as mentioned before. And how you want to get involved is, in addition to attending, you also want to see if you can either be a speaker or volunteer for one of these Data Science Salon events. So if you click on Be a Speaker, which is all the way at the bottom of the website, you will see buttons to apply to speak at Data Science Salon events. You can also apply to speak at a meetup as a way to work towards speaking at an event. Ideally, you want to consider both opportunities because you want to be in front of as many top data science professionals as possible as a way to find more profile building opportunities. And if you go all the way at the bottom of the website, you'll also see a page to volunteer for one of the data science Salon events that are coming up. And if you want to get a sense of past speakers for these events, you'll be able to see this list of people who appear to be top professionals in data science. So these are the kinds of people you want to be definitely talking to as a way to find more opportunities to get involved in the field of data science. The second opportunity is ODSC, one of the largest data science conferences in the world, Open Data Science Conference, and they have different regional conferences as well. So you ideally want to be attending this conference, even if you don't plan to speak. There are also other ways to attend and potentially get complimentary access to events, and that is to be a volunteer at ODSC. So a lot of these large conferences have volunteering opportunities, and they have forms that you can just fill out. And for ODSC, they are still accepting volunteers. So try to fill out this form. And this is for ODSC East, based in Boston. And then see if they get back to you. And in the meantime, you can also try to reach out to some past speakers of ODSC or people who are involved in setting up the conference, just to get a better sense of how you can volunteer and contribute to the conference, because that is how you can meet some more top data science professionals, potentially even advisory board members for ODSC or past speakers, committee members, just to learn more about how you can get involved in the upcoming ODSC conferences across the different regions, as you can see here. And then lastly, this is more AI related, but it could be relevant to some of you who are in data science as well. This is AI DevWorld. This is related to DeveloperWeek, which is one of the largest developer conferences in the world. You want to definitely be at one of these large developer conferences, if not ODSC, then definitely look into DeveloperWeek as well as especially AI DevWorld if you're in the field of data science. And since the conference is coming up, they're no longer accepting speakers, but you can still try to apply again to be a volunteer, which is a great way to get involved because you just get more access to different events, to different people. So if you click the volunteer section of the website, you will get to DeveloperWeek's volunteer program. So you can right now sign up to be a volunteer and then get access to all these events that could be of interest to you. If you are a software engineer or a data science professional or an AI professional, these are the kinds of events you want to be going to meet more top professionals again and to learn more about ways to get involved in future AI Dev World conferences, as well as Developer Week conferences, since Developer Week, as I reviewed in a previous video, has quite a few opportunities to get involved in the field of software engineering, data science, and AI. You can join their global advisory boards. You can look at ways to judge their awards, which are called the Devies. And then they also have a bunch of events that are related to Developer Week within the week that is the Developer Week conference events. So 3 opportunities for those of you in data science who are interested in EB-1A, EB-2 NIW, or O-1.